Hey guys, so today we're going to be decorating my room, kind of finishing it off. My dad is taking things that I got for my birthday and I got vines and then my dad's going to be hanging them up.
I've been asked for 3D, potentially 4D with VR. I'm not sure how that's going to work.
So the vines that my dad are putting up are these ones and they're like very long. So I don't know how they're going to fit on my wall, but whatever. So whilst my dad's doing that, let me show you around the room. So since it was my birthday, I got this poster. And I also got this poster. And I also got this record player. I got the K-12 album. I got the After School EP. And I got the Portals album.
Right, we're halfway through and it looks good.
So Emilia's too busy with her boyfriend. Just kidding. So I'm gonna give you a room tour of her room. So Emilia has finally moved all her stuff in here, so she's not lazy. She's got some stuff I can look at. My prom dress. Ooh, some of this stuff are good. Maybe I should steal some of her clothes. That's what big sisters are for, right? I really like this one though. And these are her pencils that no one's allowed to use except her. And then this is her poster. What are you doing in here? Did you not read the sign? Ah! This is my secret hiding spot when she comes in. I found a shoe.